What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, we got the iPhone 16 Pro on deck, and today is a case video. Now, shout out to a company called Caudabe. They sent a couple cases for your boy to check out. What we checking out right now is called the Synthesis. So the other day we did the Sheath, which is like a rough, rugged TPU type case. The Synthesis got a similar form factor, but the only thing is more like a polycarbonate type case. You take a look at the back, and they say minimalist perfection. And when they say minimalist perfection, guys, they don't mean this is like the most minimalist case, but for the amount of protection that these cases offer, they are really minimal. They're not big, bulky cases, but they offer some good protection. So as you can see, the Synthesis, rugged meets refined, engineered for maximum grip and outstanding shock absorption. Synthesis is our most protective case, and this case has a unique dot matrix. Our strongest mag-safe textured back shell provides robust protection and resists fingerprints, and cover buttons with incredible tactile feedback. So we got the Synthesis in two different colorways. We got black and we got celestial blue. So let's go over this black one first, get it out like so. Then you lift up and we got the case. So here we had the Synthesis in black. As you can see, nice and raised up around the camera area to protect your cameras that protrude. You know, big sensors on the iPhone 16 Pro, and you want those sensors protected in case of a drop. Nice aluminum button press, and it's got a nice texture to it that adds grip. But also on the side, you can see it's got a lot of little grip going on. Now on this side, you got your power button, and you got your camera control, so you got a nice cutoff for your camera control, but still grip. Grip is a big part of drop protection, just not dropping your device in the first place. Now, I love how Caudabe does their button press with these, like, it's almost like an aluminum type button. I'm not sure if they're exactly aluminum or the exact material these buttons are made out of, but they offer a good tactile press. I'm not a big fan of cases when the buttons are made into the case. I feel like when you got buttons individually pressed into the case that you make the case, they just give you a better press. And down here we got some Caudabe branding. But like I said, guys, the back is like a hard polycarbonate case, and the sides are like a really thick, rugged type TPU. So here's my Desert Titanium iPhone 16 Pro and the Synthesis in black. As you can see, camera lenses are nice and protected. And we got this little design right here, guys. Little design to the right. But a really just clean, nicely constructed case that offers a lot of protection and is not super bulky. Now, if you notice at the bottom, it's like a ramp. This case is like a ramp. And I think that's just to kind of lift the case up a little bit, combined with the camera protection. So the back of your case, like let's say if you sit this case on cement, the back of the case is just not sitting on the cement getting scratched up. So it'll look better, you know, as you use this case and as time goes by. Like I said, volume rocker action button, nice tactile button press right here. Good feedback, like they said. I like when we get individual buttons, and these buttons really feel like aluminum, honestly. You got space to get to your camera control if you use that, and you got your power button here. All cutouts down bottom are lined up. Now, I will say it's a nice protective case, but still minimal, not adding a lot of bulk to the iPhone. And at the same time, you got a nice raised lip all the way around the screen. So if you drop this device on a flat surface, the case will take the impact and not the screen of your device, possibly causing a crack or shatter. Very nice raised lip. Now, the Synthesis does offer MagSafe power, so we got to check that out. I got a ring holder. I'm only holding the ring holder. Snaps right on. You heard that snap. It almost just like picked the iPhone up. It's not going nowhere. It's nice and stuck on there, guys. Definitely MagSafe powers are working. And this is the celestial blue colorway. I just wanted y'all to see the same exact case, but just another colorway for y'all to check out. Celestial blue. Take a look at these sides, and you can see we got the blue buttons. Looks nice and clean. And this is how the blue gonna mesh with the Desert Titanium. I think this is a good looking case, guys. Good looking simplicity, but very protective and just very quality cases from Caudabe. And that's how it's going to, mix with your Desert Titanium camera control. But shout out to Caudabe for sending these out. This is the synthesis. I'll put a link down in the description. It's your boy BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. I'm out. Peace.